So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy gold here on Questrade. Also, the link down below is my referral code in the description of this video. If you sign up using the referral code, we both get money in the process. But to buy some gold on Questrade, it's fairly simple. I want you to go to the main screen right here and go to the bottom left and press on buy and sell. At the top, I want you to go ahead and type in ticker symbol CGL. Now CGL is an example, so CGL.to, which I'll press on right here, is an example of a gold ETF. So you're not able to actually buy gold as a commodity here on Questrade, but if you want to go ahead and buy a gold ETF, it's a good alternative. So once CGL, by the way, there's other ETFs as well, is selected, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you're on this page right here, when it loads up, it's going to show you the sale price. So in this case, I want to go ahead and just type in the amount. And then at the bottom, go ahead and press on review order. If you have, your order, I guess it looks good to you, go ahead, press on review order, and then purchase the gold ETF that way. So that's how you guys can buy gold here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.